and today I'm going to talk about quicksort. Quicksort is a really popular sorting algorithm and also a very efficient one. Ito ay ginagamitan ng divide and conquer strategy to quickly sort data items sa pamamagitan ng pagde-divide ng larger arrays into smaller arrays. So, dahil definition lang naman yung i-discuss ko sa inyo, inulapan ko na lang din kayo ng video para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano i-apply or kung paano gumana yung quicksort. So, let's proceed into the video.
Remove this left pointer until we find the element that should be on the other side. And we do the same thing for the right. Okay, now 9 and 1, so those should be swapped as well. 1 over here, 9 over there. Okay. Now again, move the left pointer until we have an element that should be swapped. Move the right pointer. Okay, 2 and 8, so those should be swapped. Okay, now we have a arrangement such that everything's smaller than the pivot on one side, everything bigger than the pivot on the other side. So now we just do quick sort on these two halves. And on the left side, we pick a pivot element randomly, let's say it's 3. Then we walk through and move things smaller than 3 on one side and things bigger than 3 on the other side. So we have this left pointer and this right pointer again. So we move the left pointer over until we have one that should be on the other side, 3. And move the right pointer over until we find elements to be swapped. So 2 is smaller than 3, 6 is bigger than 3. So we want to swap those elements. Now move the left pointer over until it has something that should be swapped. And we're good actually. Okay, so now again we apply quick sort on each side. Okay, so if we do quick sort on this very leftmost part down, we'll pick a pivot element randomly again. Let's suppose it's 2. So then what we're going to do is we're going to set the left pointer over here, the right pointer over here, swap these elements around until we have elements that should be moved. So we'll move this pointer over. So this left pointer will get moved to here. 3 should be on the right side and 1 should be on the left side. So we're going to swap those elements. And now we're actually done with this part. Then we want to apply quick sort to each of those parts. So as you can see, this is getting progressively more and more sorted. And when you do this enough times, eventually we will end up with a sorted grid. So now the next.
I am Charlene Sanez, and this is the advantages and disadvantages of binary search. One of the main advantages of a binary search is that it is much quicker than a serial search because the data that needs to be searched halves with each step. For example, it is possible to search through 1024 values and find the one you want within 10 steps every time. The binary search is an optimal searching algorithm using which we can search desired element very efficiently. The disadvantages is first, it works only on lists that are sorted and kept sorted. That is not always feasible, especially if elements are constantly being added to the list. Next is that there is a great loss of efficiency. If the list does not support random access, you need, for example, to immediately jump to the middle of the list. If your list is a plain array, that's great. If it's a linked list, not so much. Depending on the cost of your comparison operation, the cost of traversing a non-random access list could dwarf the cost of the comparisons. And last, it works only on element types for which there exists a less than relationship. Some types simply cannot be sorted.
So, hi guys, my name is Morallos, and I'm going to explain to you is all about the algorithm of quicksort. So let's start how quicksort algorithm works. So as you can see in the pictures, we have a array which is the 4, 2, 6, 5, 3, and 9. So what are we going to do is, for the first step, find the pivot item in the array. This item is the basis for for comparison for a single round. Step 2. Start pointers at left and right. So, start a pointer. So, the left pointer natin is at the first item in the array. So, makikita siya sa left side at the first array. So, which is yung 4. So, start a pointer. So, yung right pointer natin is makikita sa last item ng array, which is yung 9. So, step 3, since 4 is less than 5, shift left pointer. So, while the value at the left pointer in the array is less than the pivot value, move the left pointer to the right. Add 1. Continue until the value of the left pointer is greater than or equal to the pivot value. For our step 4, since 2 is less than 5, shift left pointer. Then, since 6 is greater than 5, stop. For step 5, since yung 9, which is yung ating right pointer, is greater than 5, shift right pointer. Since nasa 3 na ang right pointer natin, 3 is less than 5, then stop. So, step 6 natin is swap values at pointers. Step 7, move pointers one more step. And step 8 is since 5 is equal to 5, move pointers one more step, then stop. If the left pointer and the right pointer don't meet, go to step 1.
Hi guys, so let's move on sa flowchart. So first is magpa-process yung output header and then magpa-prompt for user input. And then after that, i-retrieve yung input na galing sa user into array. And then magdi-display yung unsorted array. Now, isi-split niya into 2 sorted batches using pivot. Then, if batch size is equal to 1, then ilalabas or magdi-display yung sorted array. And if no, isosort each partition set recursively gamit yung quick sort function. And then ibabalik siya sa if statement. Paulit-ulit lang yan until mag-equal yung batch size sa 1. So, let's now proceed sa program. As you can see, we have unsorted array which are 10, 7, 8, 9, 1, and 5. Let's see if magsosort siya when we run the program. Ayan, all goods naman. Now we have 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10, which is sorted from lowest to highest.
Important characteristic of quicksort. First, quicksort is useful for sorting arrays. Second, inefficient implementations of quicksort is not a stable sort, meaning that the relative order of equal sort item is not preserved. Overall, quicksort is an important concept to understand when it comes to algorithms. And that's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you understand or you deeply understand what is quicksort algorithm.